Hi, I'm Mike from Lock Software, and today I'm going to be showing you one of Thriversa's most flexible features, the pivot table. First, let's take a look at a default table. There's a lot of good information here, and of course we can edit the layout of this table to better suit our needs. But a pivot table can give us even greater control of this data, and it can do it quickly. A pivot table starts as a blank canvas, and we'll build our table by simply clicking and dragging fields from the list to assign them as columns or rows. This is the very definition of flexibility and control. For this example, since we're working with a single total department report, perhaps we want to track the activity of all departments across all stores. We'll designate our columns and rows, select which values we want to track, and in seconds, the pivot table has given us our new table for viewing this report. What's more, this functionality is available in Thriversa Store, Enterprise, and Cloud. One store or 100 stores, your data is always at your fingertips. And of course, we can export this as a clean spreadsheet. Pivot tables are just one of the many ways that Thriversa gives retailers more control over their data and more flexibility in their operations. For more information on how Thriversa can help you optimize retail your way, visit locksoftware.com or scan the QR code on your screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.